Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Klaviyo flows for e-commerce customer retention, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate Klaviyo flows for e-commerce customer retention, start by logging into your Klaviyo account. Navigate to the flows section located in the main dashboard. Click on the Create Flow button to begin the setup process. Choose a pre-built flow template or create one from scratch. If you select a template, review the available options relevant to customer retention. Select the Create from Template option to use a predefined flow. After that, customize the flow's triggers according to your preferences. For customer retention, consider using triggers like Checkout Started or Placed Order. Add conditions to ensure the flow targets the right audience. You can create segments based on purchase history or engagement levels. Next, drag and drop actions into your flow. Common actions for retention include sending a follow-up email or a thank you message. Set the timing for each action to optimize customer engagement. Once the flow's actions are in place, personalize your email content. Use dynamic fields to include customer names or specific product details. After personalizing your emails, test the flow to ensure everything works correctly. Use the preview feature to see how your emails will appear to recipients. Make any necessary adjustments based on the previewed outcome. Once you're satisfied, activate the flow by clicking the Live button. Monitor the performance of your flow by checking key metrics. Adjust the flow periodically based on customer feedback and performance data. Consider integrating A/B testing to refine your messages further. As your customer base grows, continually review and update your flows. This will enhance your retention strategy and improve overall customer satisfaction. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.